What's good? I'm gonna show you how to put this on HR 350Z. You're just gonna take one of these plastic pry tools, stick it right under, like that right here. Once you get that started, you can just pop it off with your hands. So looking at this right now, this is what it looks like. Not clicked in yet, but you can still see a little bit of plastic underneath. See, it's not a perfect fit. So what I think I'm gonna do is paint the underneath black and then stick this on. Then I just pop these out. There's 4 clips holding this back one, 4 clips holding this front one, this tool right here. Stuck it, turn it in, pulled out the black piece. But pretty much you're gonna pop this out first, take this off, 2 10 mils, and then take this off. I just pop the top off right there. Pull that up. Just have a 10 mil up here and 10 mil down here. Stick this thing out. Once you get those loose, you can pull the bottom out. You got this one came out all the way. See, this one looks a little different from the other screw. Now to get this out, it's gonna be the same like the driver's side. Okay, I pried it up from over here and made my way. So I actually ended up having to use a little screwdriver to pop these off. That's cool. I'm gonna start wet sanding. So now once you get those cleaned up, we're gonna paint. We're gonna do a light coat to start with. Finished painting the underneath. And I stuck on the passenger side. You see it's not perfect. So I'm gonna cut this down a little bit with a razor blade so that it's even, so that all the pieces go back on right. So I got the driver's side on right now. And the same thing for this side. It kind of goes over on some parts. So I'm gonna just cut that down with a razor blade. So I got this side done right now. That's what it looks like. Everything works. So this is the finished product, driver's side, and that's the passenger side.